Hi friends, the liver is about the size of this football or rugby ball and located in the upper right portion of the abdomen, mostly protected by the ribs. It has so many responsibilities like digesting food, breaking down the fats, producing energy, removing toxins from the body and much more. Therefore, if liver does not function properly, it can be life-threatening. Fortunately, liver is an organ that can repair itself and regenerate when needed. All you need to do is to provide a little care so that it can function properly. In this video, we will look at two best juices that helps to detox liver and improve liver health. Number 1. Simple ABC juice. Take a fresh apple like this. Red delicious apple is sweet and at the same time has high antioxidants. Apple juice has malic acid that can dissolve stagnant bile in the liver and flush out toxins. Chop it into small pieces. Take around 1 cup of this chopped apple. Throw them into a blender jar. Take a carrot. The carotenoids in carrots can stimulate bile to flow and remove waste from the liver. Also, beta-carotene in carrots protects liver from damage. Cut it into very small pieces like this. Take around a 1/4 cup of chopped carrot pieces. Next, we need beetroot. Betalains in beetroots reduce inflammation, protect against oxidative damage, and detox liver. Take a half beetroot and chop it into fine pieces like this. Add around a 1/4 cup of chopped beetroot into the blender jar. Add a half cup of water to this. Blend everything. To enjoy a smooth taste of this juice, let's filter out the pulp. Using a juice strainer, remove the pulp to extract the juice. Cut a lime into half, squeeze half lime into this juice. That's all, ABC juice is ready. This is so sweet, delicious and helps in liver detox right from the first sip. You don't need to add any sugar to this. Number 2. Grapefruit ginger juice. Grapefruit stimulates liver to dissolve toxins into the water so they can be flushed out easily. Peel off the skin. Grapefruits have thick white pith. This is bitter in taste, so remove it as much as possible. Take around 1 cup of grapefruit slices, throw them into a blender jar. Take ginger, peel off the skin, chop around a half tablespoon of ginger and add it to the blender jar. Add a half cup of water. Blend everything. Strain the juice using a juice strainer to remove the bitter part and pulp. To this, add a pinch of black pepper and a pinch of Himalayan pink salt. You can add stevia to get more sweetness. This works like wonder to detox liver. Grapefruit is however known to interact with certain medications, so use caution before taking grapefruit juice. That's all. Drink any of these two juices at least once in a week to help flush toxins from liver and improve liver health. Thank you. If you like this video, please hit like button, subscribe and come back for more interesting videos. Love to see you again.